Hello, our art friend. Today in Kitty Kando, we're going to learn how to draw Mighty Skye from the PAW Patrol, the Mighty movie. So let's start drawing. First, draw a strand of hair at the top, then another strand partially hidden behind it, and a third one on top to make the bang. Draw 3 letter V's under the bangs. Connect them to the bangs with a small line on the right side. Draw 2 lines right above each other, coming out from the letter V, going to the right, then meeting each other, and going down, then splitting into 2 lines again, going to the left, then meeting again on the parts above the nose, then splitting again into 2 lines, all the way to the left, then up, then to the right to meet the bang. To finish the goggles. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Draw 2 small lines coming out from the left side of the goggles and another similar lines under them. Then draw Skye's ear attached to them. It looks like a pigtail. To finish the helmet, draw 2 letter V's on top of each other, connecting the goggles and the ear. Then draw similar letter V's, connecting the bangs and the ear. Draw the same thing on the other side of the bang. For the top of the head, draw a curved line coming out from the right side of the goggles, intersecting the top of the helmet on both sides. Then draw a line coming down from the ear to make the side of the face. Draw a big half circle under the goggles to make the bottom part of the face. Then draw a line coming out from the right side of the face to complete the neck. Draw the other ear on the other side of the face. Inside the goggles at the bottom, draw the eye by drawing a half circle. Then draw the iris and the pupil inside. Color the pupil, leaving a white spot to show light reflection. Draw a zigzag line on top of the eye for the eyelashes. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other eye. Draw an eyebrow over each eye. Under the goggles, draw a circle for the nose and a smiley mouth. Extend the left line of the neck going down, then to the right to make the body. Then extend the line on the right just a little bit. Then draw an upside down letter U for the upper part of the leg. Then finish the leg with the paw at the bottom. Draw another leg on the other side, making the top part of the leg wider. Finish the leg with the paw. Draw another leg at the back at the right side. And the leg on the other side, that's partially hidden behind the front leg. Add a couple of lines on each paw to make the toes. Draw a big strand of hair at the back to make the tail. Now to decorate the suit, draw a horizontal line at the middle of the neck, a tiny rectangle under it. Then draw the PAW Patrol badge and the paw print inside. Draw a few lines radiating from the PAW Patrol badge towards the leg. On the top of the leg, draw a curved V shape. Then a couple of V shapes inside, dividing the shoulder pad into two parts. Then draw a couple of V shapes in each part. Repeat the same steps on both of the other legs, but only part of the shield will be shown. Draw a letter V under the shield. Then draw a shape inside that looks like a boomerang. Repeat the same steps on the left leg. On the right back leg, draw 3 V shapes under each other. Draw a line right above the paw of each of the back legs. Then draw an upside down letter V on the front leg and a curved line on top of it. Then on the left leg, draw 2 curved lines on top of each other. On the right leg, connect the shoulder pad to the lines at the bottom with a couple of wavy lines. Draw 2 smaller lines on the left leg. This puppy's ready to fly. Now you can draw Mighty Skye from PAW Patrol the Mighty movie. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. To make the glowing effect around Skye, pick a light pink color, then draw an outline all around Skye's body. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your colors. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.